Introducing Thermo-Calc 2026A with a powerful new Aqueous Calculator, 8 new databases, and much more. This release introduces common phase names in plots and tables. When using certain databases, common phase names such as ferrite and austenite are now shown alongside traditional phase names like FCCA1 and BCCA2. Users can also create their own common phase name files for databases that don't already have them. This release also brings installation improvements. Most Windows users can now install Thermo-Calc without administrator rights, simplifying the installation process. A new Aqueous Calculator and accompanying template is now available in the graphical mode, enabling easy setup of advanced corrosion calculations, including pore bay diagrams. The template includes specialized settings with optimized defaults and aqueous-focused quantities for easy setup of complex aqueous calculations. Expanded plotting options allow users to visualize nearly a dozen aqueous properties. The calculator is fully optimized to be used with the new Aqueous Solutions database. Users are strongly encouraged to use the Aqueous Calculation template to get the full benefits of this new calculator. The Equilibrium Calculator adds 2 new settings to improve workflow and give users greater precision over calculations. Users can now change the phase status directly in the Equilibrium Calculator, eliminating the need to navigate back to the system definer and reload the database. Additionally, phase energy additions can now be applied to equilibrium calculations to help you fine-tune phase stability. This is also useful for precipitation simulations to see how the energy contributions affect the solvent's temperature. The Precipitation Module TC-PRISMA introduces user-controlled save frequency, allowing you to significantly reduce file size and simulation time. Or users can choose to save more data when necessary. This feature is not available when modeling grain growth or with CCT and TTT simulations. However, CTT and TTT simulations receive a different time-saving feature. A new advanced interpolation scheme boosts the performance of simulations by reusing information from previous steps. This is most useful for certain CCT and TTT diagrams. The Additive Manufacturing Module now supports Electron Beam Melting. All the functionality that was previously available for the laser powder bed process now extends to the Electron Beam Melting process. Additionally, the AM module now allows users to select both fluid flow and separate materials properties at the same time, enabling simulations that more closely reflect real-world conditions. And finally, default settings have been updated to better reflect common machine settings. Temperature definitions in property models have been standardized across all the models. Previously, the global temperature field was used inconsistently between models, and definitions for similar temperature types varied between models. This update brings improved clarity and consistency throughout the property models. In the Diffusion Module DICTRA, a new mobility adjustment option is available in graphical mode, allowing users to adjust the mobility of individual phases for more precise simulation results. Thermo-Calc 2026A includes 8 new databases and 1 updated database. The Aqueous Solutions database has been fully redesigned and significantly expanded to be used with the new Aqueous Calculator for detailed modeling of corrosion processes across diverse conditions. The Permanent Magnetic Materials database extends its usage to include samarium cobalt type permanent magnets, and 10 new elements have been added to broaden potential applications of novel rare earth-based permanent magnetic materials. The Steel and Fe Alloys database adds 12 new elements to better predict the effect of tramp elements in steel and Fe-based alloys, along with many other additions. The corresponding mobilities database MOB-FE9 is also released to align with TC-FE15. The Metal Oxide Solutions database adds zinc and lead for modeling primary copper production, among other applications. The database receives many other additions and improvements. 3 additional new databases are available with this release, including many additions and upgrades to the titanium and titanium aluminide alloys databases, as well as 1 updated database. Join our webinar to explore all the new features, upgrades, and databases available in the 2026A release. Learn more today at thermocalc.com/2026A.